Well, hello y'all. Welcome to a new edition of Triple Chips Down the Hatch 2, where today we'll be continuing the Pizza Week series, Season 1, Episode 2. So in this one we're featuring the Delissio, it's not delivery, it's Delissio Crispy Pan Pizza. Oh, got a pan out here, but it includes pan. And this one's going to be the meat lovers. It's got Italian sausage, seasoned beef, and pepperoni like that. Never had these deep dish ones before, so we're going to put that in for... Okay, doesn't say anything about calories or nothing on here, but... guess there isn't any. Okay, preheat oven to 400 Fahrenheit. So we're just going to put that to 400. Okay. Take this out of here. Got a zipper thing here, but it's easier to slide open once you have. And that's what we're going to be cooking up. That's what we're dealing with, apparently. So we're just going to cut this open. So you don't have to put it on the tray. I just had this one out, so just gonna fire it in the oven just with this little pan that comes with. So get that cut open. Pretty sure it says remove film. Okay, remove film from pan. Place pan directly on the center oven rack. Bake for 23 to 25 minutes. If you want it extra crispy, add another 3 minutes. So I'm going to try it maybe 27 minutes. So put that there. Get this out of here. Losing mozzarella on there, but it's a fair thickness to it. Looks a little bit thicker than your regular frozen pizzas you get, but this says to leave it on this tray, and we'll just simply get it up to temperature. We'll be right back to put it in the oven, so stay tuned. Okay, well, we're getting pretty close now. We're at 355. So I'm just going to give what I've been doing in these videos too. I'm getting a little spoiler of the next episode. So if you don't want to see it, what's in the next one is going to be a surprise. Just fast forward about 20 seconds. And you won't see it at all. So just fast forward now for about 20 seconds. But those who chose to stay, made a wise idea. It's going to be the next episode. Dr. Oetker again, because the other one was so delicious. It's the Queso de Maya. Guess which one it's going to be? Just leave that in the comments, but you'll see it on the next episode. But this one looks really good. I'll let you get another close-up of the box if you want to see what it is. Make your guess what flavor that is. Just leave that in the comments. Whoop! Just about gave it away there. Okay. Wait for it. Wait for it. There we go. Time to fire this one in, which is the Crispy Pan Pizza. That's the meat lovers, Italian sausage, seasoned beef, pepperoni. So next time you see this, it's going to look even better than that. So here we go. That's on the middle rack. Oh wow, it's getting hot. Even the oven's sweating here. So we'll set our timer. A little bit more. Okay, it's set on here. 23 to 25, extra crispy, 3 minutes. So we're gonna go 27. And when you watch again, it's going to be like it took 2 seconds, but 26 minutes is just going to disappear. So I'll catch you when we got to take her out. Okay, the timers went off, so I better throw on some gloves here quick. Gonna double glove it now. Okay, I'm going in for it. Oh, I didn't even realize that I left this other pan underneath it, but that should be okay though. I think she's pretty well done. We'll just... Wow, that's really hot. Yeah, I'm just gonna go get the cutter. Turn this oven off. Let's move this out of the way. Let's get a plate to throw it on too. Okay, so we're back with the plate. Just gonna proceed to cut this up. So I think I might go with some different oven gloves. Those ones are hard to work in. A couple of these. Just extremely hot. Guess I'll cut that into maybe 6 pieces. It's hard to hold with gloves on. Look at that steam rolling off that goodness. Oh, that smells really good. I'll just put that on the plate for now. Back up here. This is really hot. Grab a centerpiece out. That's what we're dealing with right there. You see that steam just rolling off it. Doesn't look like it's got any stuffings like the way you traditionally get one from a restaurant. Like, looks like there's quite a bit of dough right here, but we're still gonna try it. It's like, have to wait a couple seconds. It's like really hot. Just hang all these back up for now. Guys, I'm just going to grab a paper towel because that's really hot to hold, so we're going to go in for it anyhow. So oh, that's really hot. Ooh. It's not bad. They essentially used way too much dough in here, like you're getting a lot of dough in your bite. It was tasting pretty good though, but it's just really hot. Ooh. You know what I mean by the dough? Like, it's kind of a false thing when they said this is a deep dish, because that should all but essentially been all filling in there, but still really good though. Wow, I think it kind of burnt my lips on that. Woo. So, I'd kind of give it a half a thumbs up, maybe, like full thumbs up for the taste, but for being a deep dish, no, it's kind of lean, going down. But it's pretty good pizza though. But definitely not a traditional deep dish. So if you like what you've seen in this vlog, why not give it a big thumbs up? And make sure to like and subscribe for future notifications. Just make sure to ring that bell notification button. Until next time, happy eating. Vlog over. Enjoying what you've been seeing? why not check out these other blogs? Just click on the links below. They might be to this channel, or they might be to my other two channels, which is Unbox the Box and TripleChip's Adventure Vlogs. Until next time, have a great day.